$200 a day? Is it really freaking possible? What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with ericellisjr.com, and in this video we're going to show you how to generate $200 a day as a broke individual, or even a 15-year-old, or wherever you are within your financial situation. Now, if you don't know who I am a digital serial entrepreneur, full-time traveler, currently in Phuket, Thailand, chilling on a rooftop of the villa. And the objective of this whole channel is to teach you how to live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. And if you don't, you won't get my content every day at 8 a.m. So freaking smash it, and let's dig in. All right, let's get into it. So you want to generate $200 a day as either a 15-year-old or somebody who isn't in the best financial situation. And we're going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that with something called affiliate marketing, right? Now, what is affiliate marketing? It's basically referrals. This is you. Not sure what your name is watching this video, but your main objective is to generate an income, right? Now, how are we going to go ahead and generate $200 a day specifically, right? Affiliate marketing is simply when you refer products. So let's just say, for example, I know it's not the best of drawings, but let's just say you want to go ahead and sell headphones. Or not sell headphones, but you're interested in headphones, right? What happens is with affiliate marketing, you find a niche, basically a topic of something that you're interested in, whether it's sports, whether it's audio, whether it's dogs, whether it's cats, it doesn't matter. You can sell anything online, right? So once you find your niche, let's just say my niche is audio, right? I love production, I love headphones, I love all that type of stuff, right? Wouldn't it be amazing if I could go ahead, generate an income from doing so, but more importantly, $200 a day, right? So if I want to generate $200 a day and I want to go ahead and market headphones, the best way to do it is if you don't, obviously if you're watching this video, most likely you don't have your own company, you don't have your own brand, you don't have any of that stuff to where you can just create your own headphones or anything of that nature, right? So what you can do is you can go ahead and become a part of, it's called an affiliate network. So I'll put AN. Right? An affiliate network is basically a network where you can find different offers that you're able to promote within your niche. Now, what's more interesting than affiliate offers, or not more interesting, but one of the biggest networks is called Amazon Associates, right? So I'm going to go ahead and actually show you guys Amazon Associates. And basically the actual step-by-step process that you guys can get to $200 a day, right? So looking into Amazon Associates, basically if we look at Amazon Associates, simply once you become a member, and it's very easy to actually get accepted, right? What I would suggest as a beginner, right, you can create an affiliate website, right? A website is basically where there's a whole bunch of offers, and once you have offers, right, you drive traffic to your website, different offers that people are interested in. Kind of to give you guys an example, how to make website.com, I believe it is. Is that the one? Yeah, so this is an affiliate website basically there's a whole bunch of affiliate offers on this website. So web hosting, the best web hosting, these are all affiliate links, themes, best WordPress themes, discounts. So these are all tabs for me to buy things in the website niche, making website niche, right? But just to kind of give you guys an example, you can find anything. So let's just say I wanted to go ahead, Beats by Dre's. So let's just say I wanted to go ahead and promote Beats by Dre's. Guys, with Amazon Associates, you guys can literally promote anything, but I'm just giving you guys an example, right? Beats by Dre's Solo 3's wireless headphones, $219. And what you can do is you can actually see what all of these are paying out. So if you notice, headphones, beauty. So an example, if you wanted to go ahead and create something for beauty products, or there's all types of brands or niches that you guys can promote in. But let's say I was to do headphones, right? And headphones pay out 6%. So if we do the math, right, 6% is about 13, where are we? It's about 13.4. 13.4. Right? So basically, if we look here, it's $219, so basically 220 bucks. 6% of that is basically 13.4. So if our goal is $200 a day, we simply divide this number by, oh God, that does not make sense. So we divide 200 divided by 13.4 equals, it's roughly about 15. So what does that mean? First, we need to know what our goal is, right? Our goal is $200 a day. So that means we need 15 sales per day. Now, basically what happens is once we actually decide to promote, we're simply going to go ahead and get the link. And once we get a link, we can either display just this right here, text only, image, right? But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get a link, right? This is HTML code, but you can actually just get a link, right? And basically, once you get the link, you copy the link. And now how are we going to go ahead and market this link? Now, basically, the money is in the link. What do I mean by that? The more people see this link, the more people are going to buy it. The more people that buy it, the more sales we're going to generate. And then we're going to go ahead and get this magical number of 15 sales, which puts us at $200 a day. Now, example, if your affiliate offer was paying out $20 in commissions for each sale you generate, then we only need 10 sales. So you need to just do your numbers, figure out what your goal is, and then next, how are we going to go ahead and market it? Now, the easiest way as a beginner to actually start marketing affiliate products is called content marketing, right? Now, there's all types of ways. There's Instagram, there's all types of things, but what is the #1 search engine in the world? Google. What is the #2 search engine in the world? YouTube, right? So we're going to go ahead and do YouTube content marketing. So basically an example is a review. I know that is terrible, but you get the gist. So here's a product review on your product. So whatever product you want to promote, you simply can start doing product reviews for different links, or not links, but offers. And then after your product review, you're going to let them know if they do want to get access, they can go to the link in the description, and they're going to go ahead and get access to your link. If they make a purchase, you're going to go ahead and get paid a commission. So an example of content marketing, right? Beats by Dre's 268,000 views, 3.6 million views, 7.9 million views. Guys, let's click this for instance. The truth about Beats by Dre. It's a 6-minute video. It has 8 million views. And if we go to the link in the description, Amazon, right? This is an Amazon link. So if I decide to buy these, let's do the math really quick. I'm going to whip out my calculator. So basically $155 times 6%. So if he gets sales on this, each sale he generates, he gets $9, right? So let's just say 0.001 1%. .00. So what that looks like, guys, is 0.001%. That's a small percentage. Let's just say not 1%, not 0.01%, but 0.001% of 8 million views is 800. So off that one video times 9, that's 7,200. Now realistically, he probably got more sales than that. But that's 7,200, right? Now if he was to go ahead and get 0.001%, that's 72,000. So that's the power, guys. And imagine if you guys have a whole bunch of YouTube videos just floating around content marketing, doing product reviews, or just basically doing content marketing, basically valuable content within that niche, then you could simply just have call to actions to your Amazon associates links. And then once they actually buy, you're going to go ahead and get a commission. And then you'll be at $200 per day in no time. So the secret formula, guys, the secret Krabby Patty formula of how to generate $200 a day is simply with the method, and this is just one of many methods. I'm just giving you guys one method because the objective here is not to get rich, but to give you guys an idea to live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. So an example is basically find an offer, and once you find that offer, simply we're going to go ahead and make it an affiliate offer. We're going to go ahead and get a link, an affiliate link, and then what we're going to do is content marketing. We're going to drive traffic to the offer, and then that's going to go ahead and generate sales. And the objective, guys, you just do the math. $200 a day is simply however many sales. If it's $20 commissions, it's 10 sales a day. If it's $50 commissions, it's 4 sales a day. So, I mean, it doesn't get more simple than that. If you like this video, I'm going to need you to subscribe and make sure you drop a comment below of your main takeaway and if you're going to implement this actual strategy. And I need you to go ahead and make sure to smash that freaking like button. And more importantly, make sure to subscribe one more time. If you haven't already, we're just going to go and wait for a second. Have you subscribed yet? Okay, perfect. So I drop fire content every single day at freaking 8 a.m. And if you don't subscribe, you won't get that content. So make sure you do, so that way I can teach you how to live the laptop lifestyle. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.